If you've been thinking you would not qualify for Ford's current F-150 financing offers, you might want to take another look. For this week only, Ford Motor Credit has expanded eligibility on these offers down to Tier 4 credit for qualified buyers. What does this mean? This means more customers may now qualify for 0% APR for 36 months on a brand new 2026 Ford F-150 plus $1,000 in down payment assistance and a complimentary 2-year 25,000-mile premium maintenance plan when financing through Ford Motor Credit. Or, if a lower monthly payment works better for you, qualified buyers can choose 2.9 APR for 72 or 84 months with the same down payment assistance and a complimentary maintenance plan. These offers are available on eligible 2026 F-150 trims, excluding the Raptor, and they end on August 31st. So, if credit has been the reason you've been waiting, don't wait anymore. Come on in and see if we can get you approved. Scan the QR code on your screen to see our available F-150s and current incentives. We look forward to seeing you soon at Price Ford of Yakima Valley.